You go finish her. What is this? You go finish her. You never say 2 seconds you don't hear a nika they run. So why they run they go?
You won't keep me. Make I die on top of you.
Let's see my
Carol, how many times I don't call you so? How many times I don't call you? You go, you must go back to that terrible one. I don't talk him. Whether you like him or you don't like him, I don't talk him, Carol. You must go back. Please.
You don't lose how you have to
wait. Do you get tired at all for trouble? Every day na trouble.
You don't get tired. Because this one is a husband matrimony problem. It's not your problem, yes.
No mind this idiot. After what I don't do 7 rounds. 7 rounds.
7.
No be this one. I go do
only
7.
Only
walking the idiot.
Now they shout like
I don't do 7 rounds. So I'm gonna tell her say na food. I go do. I don't tell her. I don't tell her. You go say do again. Make you do. Mama make I tell you since 8 p.m. You don't get vibration again. You don't get catch up. You don't die flat. As I said, you see they do I make you stand up again. Make they do. Since 8 p.m. yesterday. I don't know.
What do you eat? What is your boy want to do 7? I will do more.
Mommy,
you will keep it.
You is a womanhood like me, yes. You is a womanhood like me. As you dey like this now, you don't go like I say a woman that get energy for example. Yes.
Me I go where? It is ain't there easy. See me I tell you something. That one na old woman talk. I dey go anywhere. Come first me now. Carol. Oh yeah now. Tell me why you not go go back. Oh yeah, tell me. Fi go back. Which kind? See me I tell you something. This one na my papa house. And besides, we no the parents. Just take your time. If not be say then tell me say na my mama. I forgot. You know na.
For my caution na Betty Martins that they know.
Shame no dey catch.
In short, now you don't get shame.
You know the
So you want me
You know the shape. I got down on top of you.
The man that born it is a shameless manhood, yes.
Which can straight?
You see our side, our caution na Betty Martins.
Betty Martins, please.
Yes. You just try to tell me now say your family there say they lazy for bed. As woman there, it's supposed to vibrate for bed. Yes.
I will vibrate.
That's what they do.
Make I keep myself. Make I person we don't go 7 rounds. 7 rounds, oh.
Like this, she dey vibrate.
Oh,
Cry.
you will kill me.
Now what you buy from market? What you send them make them buy? Now they wait to give you.
When we enter inside. Tell me we enter inside. I'm asking them like this. You don't go tell me say you don't like us to be like this because to see this kind of person they have. Many men they find this kind of woman when they say going to vibrate for bed. When they say don't they tire, yes, a strong pass battery.
See, take your time, Carol. Why you no go back? You know the shame. Abi you know the shame? Work where you don't learn. Reach 1 year and 8 months. Where remain just 2 months. Make you finish up. You talk say you no go back. They do you. They do me wait. They do you. You know the shame. Carol, may God help you, Carol. God help you too. May God help you.
If you want man, we go make you the vibrate. Go look for your size or somebody with fat big pass you.
No.
Everything na size by size.
Now my size
you go kill am oh.
Now my size na everything. Now my size yes. Now my spec. You see so as you dey like this now. Suppose they happy say and if you dey vibrate for your pikin. Yes.
Mama, leave up. Now my wife. My spec.
Yes.
Leave this matter. This one now husband and wife matter. No be mama and pikin matter. Leave am. Wetin God done together. Make no mama put asunder.
Ice water. Don't put ice water.
Ice water. Asunder.
You know, cause anything is anything at all the quality is an obstacle. Yes.
You're right.
When you be shouting like goat, where they put knife for throat. No call me. You instead of you to go marry this neighbor wife, now you go marry woman palo.
Yes. So here we go finish the something.
Now my wife, anything we talk like right.
That means you don't bury her here.
Yes, he go make it die for here. If he die for here, it's a very good burial that we do for him. Even God's go happy for him because God said go to the world and multiply.
He will go. Oh yeah, take him inside.
Since 8 o'clock. 8 p.m. yesterday.
8 p.m. now hour. Now waiting. Your men they go to the gate. Take their wife to class 9. You carry me use half of the sun. Not some. Half of the sun come outside. Na class 9 they carry one go. Oh yeah, I did job.
Until you forget me. Hey, I don't even kill you. You go kill you.
Yes, that good.
Bury him inside.
Good way they sign your
Bury
photo.
him inside.
Yes.
Bury him inside.
For those that have consumed
Bury him inside.
Yes.
See, ma tell your guy, make sure say you prepare something.
Come back here. You must come back. Carol.
Now you see this woman, no. Now you see this.
Carol.
Take your time.
Now your mama, you do this thing, Carol. Carol, now your mama. Carol, now me. Now your mama. Hey, you go suffer, Carol. Hey, make I call some. Now my pikin. Ah, God. Why you can't give me this kind of pikin? I don't want to see what near for this kind of pikin when you give me, God. Hey, no problem. You go come back and come and meet me here for this house. What I think with Let's put her full on now. As long as I don't finish the remaining work. What happened to the food? Let me see. The food, what is going?
See, I know they like wetin big bros they do. Big bros, I don't like wetin big bros they do. Big bros not supposed to say we get package to run. Why can't they waste time now?
You calm down. Calm down. Your blood today hot. Why your blood always hot like this? Eh? You don't already know who bros be. You know say you must do 1 or 2 things before you come out. You don't they used to run now. I mean you calm down. No more. You jolly they follow this life. Oh, no understand.
You think they do this one?
Anyway, this thing I see that guy where you tell me about where they don't see now. Tell me now, she let her come.
Amebo. I come up cap for you. You too like You too like gossip. You want make I reduce you? Don't worry, anyway, sha. See how things
I do yes, no bros.
No, the phone.
Your bros don't vex you.
You calm down, your blood too hot. Why you do like that? Calm down. You come here now, you mellow down. Take a back.
What I will do? I know say if you beat person, yeah. I go mellow down.
They never burn down Mugu wey wan cross our path. You see only you, only you na babes. Babes. The whole babes for this village na only you.
Abi. Who be that person? They never even born that person, I swear. See, I might tell you, I bet give way for the queen of the universe, guys.
I
bet me una no vex now. You don't say I do 1 or 2 things for inside now. I don't say una don't wait for me tire now.
See, senior bros, I might tell you, they never born that person. In fact, if you be animal, your mate for animal world, now ancient of days.
You know they use style, they curse me. Well, me una no vex. Male just dey misbehave anyhow. It just dey make noise anyhow they send me message. If not, be say na my mama I for don't, you know now, I don't know that since.
Senior bros, I beg you, I get one question what I want to ask.
What be that?
Permission to go ahead.
Go ahead.
Let's no go there.
No wahala.
If no be your male, I beg who's male? You won't know.
You dey mad?
No, bro.
You dey crazy? Come. Better take your time, oh. You know my matter now.
Senior bros, nah. So today now, where we want run our package? Where would they go like this? Because would they follow your lead anywhere? Where would they go now?
Follow my lead. Follow. I mean, see the apple. No,
disconnect. Start on a disconnect.
What is the meaning of this? You, this man, this woman. What is the meaning of this? Look, Nagodu. What did you do? What did you do? Why would you do a thing like this? Why? Why? What is this? What is this?
What is it? What is it that you are saying? See, you go mind your business. If not, start on a disconnect. No internet. And I can't forget. Internet.
Give me that. Give me that.
Nah, what did this again? What did this now? What did this for this time? No, Mama said, una don't swear for this house. Una don't swear, two of them don't swear. Say, person no get ever rest for this house again.
Nobody goes rest until I rest in peace.
See me now, why I just finished sweeping, the house compound where your wife had a green sweep. Me, I'm go sweep am. That's where the money we're supposed to clear everywhere. She don't do anything. Let me go sweep am, cook this food. Make I do all that things, go share the food. Now she go down the food like this, go the chop am alone.
You know mad? Adako. You know mad? You know mad? What's wrong? You know that cook food, you don't go cook food. You can't do what Mama cook. You know mad? Okay now.
All of it though.
Okay now.
All of it.
Chineke. Oh, fine. As you don't chop, I make you chop you.
I don't know.
Cook, you don't go cook. Soup, you don't go soup. Do anything. You will just do everything. What is something for this life now? Do. I can't do. Can't scratch me. Can't do engine. Idiot.
You are idiot. Come on, I get man. So I see that
Your mama they talk rubbish. They talk like who in mouth they porch. You dey here, they talk to me. Maybe if I slap you now, they go say I slap mother, you know.
Okay,
no, keep quiet.
No be you. Now they sorry. Now sleep up.
Hey,
Mama, you know they want to be this now. You know they
Shut up your mouth. Yes, I'm in charge. You. Say if I slap you now, they go say I slap old man. But I no go slap you, I no go touch you. I no go touch you.
No.
Yes, now deliverance. Anointing break that yoke. Yes, anointing break that yoke. Go for road. Yes, now anointing. Give me.
You know what?
I'm right here, Laura.
Why?
I'm right here,
You don't allow me
You don't allow me to chop.
Now your men they cook for house, not for the job. Leave her, my wife. Leave her. Why go away? They worry her. Why they worry her? You don't want to be this now.
People are marrying wives. You go marry room and parlor.
And then leave her. I like her like that.
You went a box.
Start going to disconnect.
About
No
the job.
internet. And if I still forget. No internet.
The job.
Hey! Wow. Obituary sanctuary. Pararang pam pam.
If I tell you, oh God, if I tell you now say this life balance, if I tell you say this life balance, let me say I dey mad. I dey tell you, as I dey now, I don't tire for this marriage. This marriage where they marry with Adako, I don't tire. But you cannot say now. If I tell you that, say this girl, this girl don't be Adako, will be elephant times 4. Say she don't turn to lioness overnight. You know believe her. I dey tell you, anytime what she did, what they do, look what they do. You know believe her. Say anytime when we just see me now, make we do. Oh yeah, I go do. Every time I dey swim water. I'm back. Every time you go talk like you know see as be like elephant. Go do like this. And I tell you, I'm gonna keep myself for back. You dey hear? And I tell you, she no go even talk. I'm gonna keep myself there. What I do the lab. Which kind of say okay? I be mumu.
We don't do that.
I tell you.
This is the way they tell me now. You mean that?
I don't finish.
Wait,
I don't
this thing where you they tell me. You mean that?
Which kind of say you the mad? What do you mean that now? What do you this thing why they talk now? What I mean okay, I be mumu now.
You never need to quarrel now.
No, you don't need to quarrel. Don't tell me what you don't need to quarrel. What does that mean? What did they do you? Why you gonna tell me this is why they talk now? What I mean? And I tell you something now. They tell me say okay, I don't blame you. I don't just blame you. Now myself why blame? Now myself will carry myself when they tell you something as my friend.
Why they tell me? Why they tell me? What do you want make I do? When I advise you, you agree here. You try the form say nothing. Say you too sabi. You like them big. You like them heavy. You love heavy duty. You hear me? Now why they tell me? What do you want make I do?
We never quarrel.
Who they quarrel? Who they quarrel? You guys wait. Who they quarrel?
Oh, we don't quarrel.
Now your duty carry out. Even if you go work, come back. If sleep not tell your eye. You go feel fire, you go keep head. Now you go feel. Why you don't see?
We don't do.
You don't see head.
We don't the quarrel.
You don't see where they use keke.
Okay, make quarrel. No, we don't quarrel.
Wait.
I don't quarrel. We go quarrel. What kind of say that?
You not save my friend. You no go quarrel.
No, I don't.
Ude. Chukalisto. Chukama boy.
I don't understand.
Why they do like this, nah? Chukama guy, how you doing, nah? Now why you? I mean, nah.
Caro baby.
Yes, nah.
Caro international.
Nah me.
Caro you too much.
Nah me.
What did that happen now?
I did. One. I'm fine, nah.
Now you get the name. Now you get out.
It just be fine anyhow. I didn't say na they can't cruise. You know say I won't go front. One do one or two. You understand? I go come back. You know now. We dey free. Give us more.
Okay. And they tell me, see, this girl, a fine girl. I like this girl. This girl, I like him die.
Carona, find you.
Now fine. And they tell me,
you. That's how she shout.
And they tell you, they smile.
You feel the smile. That's the way she do like this.
And they tell you, people say I don't go heaven. The only problem I get for when she live say, and this her crack. When she live like man. You know say, I don't put baby and I fight with the fight. You know man, now you see the fight. No one fight. I won't do it. Chuka. I like her that way. You know say she na your size. If I want to now, wow. Papa, go balance me like papa. No be that thing too can do be like this. No say this one now if I tell make it make I do this for papa.
I beg you, more go.
Look here.
they run, they go.
Where they run, they go. Come back here. I said, come back here. We want to brush see. Ah, bros. See, I don't talk anything though. I dey sorry. See,
This thing when you hear now, not me talk am. I don't even know. I beg no vex, I beg. Sorry, I beg no vex, I beg. Eh?
What do you talk am? So why you can't dey beg me now?
Because I been here say they say I use your name talk one thing like that oh. So I don't know. Now make I say me I beg. May I just say sorry, I beg. No vex.
Sure say no be you talk that thing. This one where you just dey do like fowl when they eat. Eh?
I no fit remember oh. I no remember again.
you come here, come play with you. You dey tell me no. Woman bust your head. This girl no well oh. He say you no fit remember. So na senior bros you use the joke, abi?
I dey mad. Come first, ma even ask you something. Shey that particular thing where you talk about senior bros, that particular one, now make you talk now. Or else I go use my pepper hand hit you like this. You know say now wetin my eyes see and wetin my ear hear, now they talk and I dey give them as they hot. And I since yesterday till today now, I no feel remember because as they come, as new ones they come, I dey delete old folders. You know say my name na Onukupe na practical they do.
Hey.
So I no feel remember.
You open mouth. Mention practical. So you dey use us they do no. You dey use senior bros they do practical. Let's say we go show this girl small practical.
Oh, I beg. I swear.
Akudi. Ego bros I dey your side.
Hey.
I should not remember.
Hey.
Make una help me reset this white fowl brain.
Bros, I won't even ask you. How you take one smoke with this? Hey! No, no.
Adako.
How come?
What is this now? Go. What did they do here now? What if your own now? What did you do fight for this keke now?
As I make her tell you, say today is a stay at home day. Yes. Go see me told you, no where they go today.
Adako.
Yes.
Come on, they make her go work. Now, come on, this one now.
You don't get for where they go because the working they go sis call. 1 naira, you know they carry the house. Yes. So don't need for you to go to work.
1 naira, I know they carry come house.
Yes.
So you know, it won't do me sit at home today.
Yes.
If I sit at home, no free working day, make a call to do what thing.
You better say me carry yourself. Go use yourself, man. Take surface my engine. You better pass to go that park. You don't waste your time throughout the day. You come back, you don't get money. You don't carry money, come back. You don't say your mess, they do this keke business. They go do the business finish, then I go build that. Take a open shop for their wife. You don't know that one. You want to go there, carry money, they give woman. This I don't know.
Me carry money, they give woman. Muabo. Abonko. AKA and Amaka. Go carry money, go give woman.
Yo, you don't know say to get big wife like this for house. Maintenance fee a day.
Okay, maintenance fee day.
Yo.
So make a day call the service engine.
Yo.
This is the engine, na food. Every time service engine. Agabu. What is this? What is the idea when you say
you no call sign me. I know be say you don't go work today. Today says sit at home day. Yes. So carry your time, go house. No they use that together. You want push me?
No.
Okay. We are going to study work.
If you get 4, I go kill you.
You are moving to get back. Today work we are going together. Yes. Today I not moving. If you move the keke, I go shake her. I go shake the keke. I go shake her.
You see that boy?
Yes, I go shake her.
Now you are the messy for. If I move this keke, now you go fall. If you fall here, now you don't die.
Make I tell you, say me.
You know, see they do.
Only because move from there, you go fall together.
Only you
I go move to the left.
Not for this keke.
To the right. No, to the left. To the right.
I go. I go hit boot you now. I go.
We'll go to work together today.
Adako.
Yes.
If you say now, say make we go work together. Now be say work don't finish now. Where I go carry passengers?
If I dey back, you carry 2 for back, carry 1 for front.
For where? Where the 2 go there?
One go dey front, 2 for back.
Only you don't cover the whole back. They come talk rubbish.
It's not 3 for back, 1 for front.
Who's that 3? As you there now, you dey 7 here now. Passengers don't full.
Today they go not for you for that junction. Say you don't get conductor.
Can you know wow? Can you know one? Like can you offer manual? Offer manual.
You know what going on today?
Offer manual. Offer manual.
Free movement day.
Free movement day.
Yes. Okay. I never start with your theory company. Adako. Check. Oh yeah, you want move fast? Oh yeah, I go take the keke. I go take down. Yes, I go take the keke.
What is this? What is this?
Yes.
Move fast.
Move fast.
I never even enter. You don't ask me for money.
Where you dey go?
Not be junction. I tell you junction now.
Enter na 100 naira. Not be the other junction. What did he say?
Okay, I go.
Na shift for that now.
Sam now.
Okay.
Na shift my friend also share.
Okay, wait. If I pay you 100 naira, see shortage what I get for you now. Why you go carry full house for inside your keke?
Adako shift.
Oh yeah, I don't see.
Carry your leg him. It be like duplex.
Okay, you see him. It be like duplex.
Now inside my hospital keke. Now if for the cost me.
Leave and the only passenger now.
You don't understand. Say me like say I like trouble.
Okay, if you tell me say you carry water.
Now me you look say be
Adako.
You na me you dey go house.
Yeah. Okay.
You no fear.
Sorry.
You are a very stupid husband man.
Leave am now.
You dey here. Passenger come me house. I go buy your nose.
Adako.
I go buy your nose. You dey here.
Yeah.
Your fellow man come me house.
Leave am.
Nothing where you talk.
No be house you be. No be house.
I know they enter again.
No.
Okay, no. Now what do you carry?
Go enter front.
No, they go.
Stupid somebody boy. You don't
don't
get respect for my size. I go look me say I be like house. I be like house.
You don't know say be like house. You don't know say be like house.
Today you live inside me. I go be your bedroom, parlor, toilet, bedroom, everywhere. Enter.
Adako, which can walk
as close today. Make we go house.
Walk as close.
Yes.
Make we go house.
Yes.
So the money was supposed to make it now. You pursue him. Tell me say what
That boy na Yahoo boy. Na Yahoo.
Passenger wey wan come pay me money. Do you?
Yes.
As I come out for house now.
That boy.
God bless me with a passenger. Maybe if I drop up Joshua, maybe if I dey go now, I'll carry. Now you push and come out. They tell me say Yahoo boy.
You know any passenger I get? I would go ask school.
Oh no, so now you want me make I just carry you at all? Make I just carry you waka for the whole video today. Now you
Yes. Today is a off day. Head inside make they go house.
go do wetin for house.
You dey here, your fellow man call me house. You no talk anything.
I don't do day.
Eh?
I don't do day.
I don't see. I don't get same.
I don't do day.
I don't sell my same since. As a day here and my placenta they lost is when I small. So I don't know where it dey, and sometimes I dey craze me. You don't know that one. Say that where they marry.
I don't do day.
I mean I no care.
No go disgrace yourself.
I no care. Enter inside.
Go disgrace yourself.
Enter inside. Make we go house.
Leave my. Wait, make we go house go do wetin? No be house for come out now.
You no concern you. Enter house.
Make we go house go do wetin? No be house from the come out and now come.
You know say anytime they quarrel you know they look very sexy. This your eyes will come fall like love eyes. So as I see you now, my NZ they give me sign. They mean so come here, we go make you get me.
When you dey do
yes.
they do
You need your attention.
I
don't know anything they talk.
thunder from Ikenga. Now you go fire you for that way you talk now. If you from your engine, make we go do. Thunder now you go fire you.
If you don't thunder fire me, you first or you first come fire me.
Now engine they do I
Yes. Yes. You know say
I
I
go
do
kill you
the
there
thing.
idiot.
You know say you know my specs for you. It's a bit roll the thing.
So
It's a bit do that like the way you roll me. See the way control it.
My friend come down,
Enter inside. Make I tell you something. I don't get new style this period song. Today for go house, we go to hang in the wall. All my leg will go up. You go there for Honda. Go switch there.
If I don't kill you now, come and pass that.
I don't say me no kill me for the best. Come now. Look. What do you mean? Was that they come outside? Was that they come outside for the NT? The NT they bring out water.
Water broke there. No water broke there.
You two handsome.
No.
I will do anything for you.
Anything broke it. You will do anything broke there.
I will do anything for you. Then we dey go fast. This is not the hungry me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh God, I don't know.
Ciao, senior girl.
Hi.
You're my baby.
My God.
Hey.
My God. You are come make I touch you with my offer. Correct. Wetin happen?
Senior agree to. Smile now. How do you come in?
Talk wetin you wan talk.
Senior man. This thing now na my 2,000 for this week.
Okay.
I won't go register.
Okay.
See any man born of a woman wey wan give me trouble. I won't give am wahala.
Serious, you want wahala?
Yes.
For this village?
Yes.
You go bring them come. You are doing well. Ah, my God. You go come. Kawai. Kawai. Correct. So, you want make we design anybody wey try you?
Yes.
Anybody for this village wey try you, make you arrange am, give am better beating, squeeze am, slap am. Na me carry talk am. Me wey be the boss of this village.
Wait to make an ask question. Slap dey approved.
In fact, slap na understatement. You carry bottle, you squeeze am, you boy hit am for head. Yes. Senior bros don't talk.
Hey!
I don't give you go ahead.
Approve me, make I go.
Let go. No wahala. You can move. We move. One move. One move. Yes. Kill am. Wetin dey happen? Wetin bring you come here?
Bros. No dey believe say na me this kind thing dey happen.
Wetin happen na? Tell senior bros.
You don finally do im mind. You don finally do wetin dey plan.
Hey!
This guy tear me mind.
Hey!
He say make he tear me like wey dey use axe take tear firewood.
That guy come enter your kpekus, squeeze am, rough handle am. Hey! No now, e no go work. No wahala.
Wetin I do now?
No problem. Come. No wahala. Give am to
make I bring this kind thing for you.
Give am.
Make you find what you go do for me.
Okay, give am now. Give am my guy.
See, Emma tell you, they never born that person well. That person will treat you like this, we go arrange am.
Okay, no wahala. No worry, if he go, I go handle am. What take? May you climb up. They go. I go handle them.
Abi?
Yes.
Make I dey go.
Yes, they go.
Senior bros.
Eh?
Make I dey go.
Yes.
Swallow.
Oh yes, my guy. Yes.
Dey go. Nothing do you.
Nothing do you, yeah.
Nothing do you at all.
E don tey when I dey find person wey I go send message. May he help me go give my ancestors for the other world. Na Ekene come carry himself enter. Ew. You see as I dey quiet like this, my heart dey bleed. Wetin I just dey reason na how I wan take handle the matter. You know say me I no dey like make noise. I dey quiet. But my quietness na dangerous. I trust you for that one. I trust you.
Bad girl.
Ha! Which kind of wahala be this now? Which kind of wahala wey person just carry himself by himself for himself? Go carry wahala, carry big engine, kill himself. Yeah? Come down for keke mpa. Make I go work. Now this keke now not spoil now. How? Oh God! How go that trek now from here now? Go junction, go find.
You say wetin happen? Who you dey call big engine and bring a last engine for me? Who you dey call last engine?
I call anybody last engine. I say make I go find. What make you that call that from that keke that follow me?
It's love.
I say make I dey here now. I just imagine the thing as I go carry trek go junction. Go break that boy wey dey walk keke. Break am, make I know when they go follow me come start this keke. Baba, you don't come down. What did they find you here now? What did they find me come now?
You dey feel say I no know your plan since today.
My plan?
Yeah, the plan since you
say they find way. I go take go find person wey go repair my keke.
Shut up, your mouth when you saw you wan go see girl.
Me wan go see girl.
Girls, the mechanic you dey find is the girl. The girl is the mechanic, they won't come and repair your body. This I don't know.
How? Person wey keke spoil. Go dey find what the wahala be this? You know, Adako, you know say you problem. Now you only if you look at wahala, only if you look at trouble, only na local engine. Just only if you look at house, fact, look at houses, look at troubles.
Whatever you call me, it does not affect my life. So, make I tell you something.
Good.
The guy they go see today is a cancel day.
I don't go see girl, idiot. I don't go see girl. I don't think of
if you like, shout from east to west to north to south. Yes. Shout from to Costa Rica, you not cause Simon. Like guy they go see. So today he said no guarantee. Today is for me and you. See, that mechanic they go. No need. Because my own engine needs repair now. And I even the mechanic. So they will go house.
Where did they repair? Go police you. Go police you, idiot. That engine will go repair you go spoil. This your engine go tantala.
No.
You go
like this now, don't take the mood though.
No, like I go just curse this your engine. I go curse Sam. You know go open again. Idiot.
I mean they curse.
Adako.
Shebi, you know say I don't get same.
Adako.
You know say I don't get same.
My public go dey public go.
You know say I don't get same. I tell you, say when they bomb me, say my placenta they lost. See today we never say so. I do bad things I marry you. Yo.
I do bad things I marry you.
I don't say I love you. I love you only.
You love me, don't be the same for public.
Now so if you love a man, you go to behave like this to us. So I ain't gonna know say you love her.
No, I go love you. I kill you. I go repair your engine.
So what you go do now if you reach house now that keke? You go park the keke for house. You be fine boy and some man.
No, touch me.
I love ADUDC. If you reach us, you go just pass.
Don't touch me, man. You're my idiot.
No wahala. You don't go work again.
You see this way they find. You go see him. If you don't say it, don't happen.
See anything you talk. As I dey like this now, everything they talk they from here, they pass here, come out. Waiting in my mind now to see you, they repair my engine. As you dey, I want to reach house.
You see what I tell you? You see that keke? We will know what make I go work. I know they go to work again.
No go.
Follow me.
Thank God. Olúwa ẹ ṣé o. Baba take only bear. Thank you, Lord Father. You dey go work again. Every day is a knacking day. We will knock it the engine, we will knock it and knock it.
Yes. And now come down, I'm not rich now. This people they push this push a rich here now. You don't Calm down now.
Welcome.
Voila.
So if you carry those your customer, they carry the go in best room. So see guests for here, we never read the guests.
No good on trouble. Which can get never get? Let me get this one. This Ekene now is good. Let me push her. They push her 6. They push her 6. I don't push her guy. Reach here now. Calm down now. Now, what is this now?
Sebi, you say you like that beat. Let me the drag. This one, say that for bed, do you raise my leg?
Everything heavy. Nah. What is your body? What is this with your body? Where make everything there? Wait.
Sebi, you say you like that beat. You like that.
I like the big. I like the big. I don't like the big again at all. You know, make I go just go find all these small girls. Where we say once
you want to go find small girls, Sabi?
You never trouble.
I go pause your eye now.
Never trouble.
Sebi, you say you like that big. God can't take big, they bless you now. You can't blame God.
Okay, I like the big. I like the big.
Oh yeah, push me.
I don't push you down. God. Which go? Okay, fine. So I get this. You don't walk on that.
Oh yeah. Make a day for inside the push up.
They for some push up, kill you here.
And the push up with you.
Whoa!
You dey go back and forth.
No. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Wow! We don't do that. Come down.
Yes.
Come down from there.
Oh yeah, wait. He remain one stage. He go do now. He go do love for me. Go carry me for back. Go inside.
Me, I go carry for back. Go inside.
Yes. If you cry finish, you can't push me. Can't carry.
I know they cry. I don't cry. I say make I think as I go take carry.
Yes. Say me man. Hakpo.
Baby, Abo.
It cost me this is just. What I know is I love you very much.
Okay.
So I love we dey do so.
Okay, I love you too. I love you too.
Oh,
So
yeah.
what you go do now, You go come down. Make I do bodyguard for you. I go do your back. I go guide you. I go do as your bodyguard. I go dey shout, bodyguard to Adako.
No.
I go just escort you go inside jet.
That love no sweet. And when you carry me, you know, see where they carry people for the Nigerian movie.
I'll carry you.
Yes. Never see love. Carry me. It's for better for worse we are for us.
You come down, make I.
You feel me?
You come down, make I carry you now.
How come you?
Mba I can natural. No just tell me the oko. We know they do oko here at all. I know they do any oko here.
Oh yeah.
Come down now, see Moya. Now make you go there.
You go the pest me now. You know sabi pest woman.
Oh yeah, come down.
You rub my waist, as I do.
Come down. Jesus. Ekene, hey! If the thing fall now, I go be happy. If the thing fall now, go.
Hey. Bring your back, break your back. Help you. You just set your back for four. Waist first. You see, say I dey give energy now. I dey give you enough energy. The time they shop this akara where you dey. I keep you cough. Yes. Just cough fresh now. That
Fresh, walk.
How come we die here?
I go kill you.
My true love.
I go kill you.
Carry me. Yeah.
Come. Put your hand like this. I'm not ready. No, be careful. Oh!
Come kilo day.
Which one will you clear there? Take a clear there. What did you clear there? Stand up, Abeg.
You want to kill me?
I won't kill you now. Accident.
Aku want kill me, oh.
Okay, Abu.
Aku want you do this one.
Oh! Accident. Stand up
I
now.
don't go stand up. You go carry stand up.
Yeah, I can't stand up.
Yeah.
You go there. You can't walk this way I do myself. Nah. Go. Hey, you know, I got this so go.
Hey, cost me anything you like. Oh. I must reduce today. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we doing? Exercise. Exercise they do like this. Now they do like this. If na so people they do exercise, people don't finish. People don't die finish. With this loaf of bread and eggs. Not even one egg. Eggs. Eggs.
I want to get figure 8. Yes, I want to get cuffs. I want to just give my husband so that if they come up for our house together, we'll be like good lovers. All the village gas. I don't want my husband's eyes to go enter their waist. So it's all this place. It must last. I must get figure 8. So that make a good exercise.
Including this one where they fall out like this.
Yes, all these apartments. I must flash down today. All this upstairs.
One big loaf of bread and
yes.
eggs.
Now wait till I want to flash down with it.
I know say you know get sense. But I don't know say na like this the no sense be. Anyway, I don't blame you. Now my son I blame. Where go carry generation problem like you bulldozer. 2 rooms, apartment and parlor for house as wife. I am a blame. You want to reduce weight. You want to have curve. You want to become phys-8. Look at. Ah! Ego. I have suffered.
Did they work?
I have suffered.
You not suffered.
What in the work?
It's working,
your
yes.
mumu. Gluten, you're gonna go. You want to eat eggs, big loaf of bread, and you're doing like this. Why don't you die and go and rest?
If I die for love.
You die for love?
Yes, if I die for love. I will get.
Now the person where they love you now, they blame, not you.
You not give me hope. You see, say you what?
Do the exercise.
Mommy.
Before you think this thing will lock your heart, you die.
Mommy. You don't want me to come and reduce.
Like this, nice and reduce.
I get the plans to wash my waist.
Shame on you.
I go shock you. So I go feel reduce. Don't worry. You don't know say the heck and the bread is the apparatus I used to reduce. You don't know. It's alright. I will shock you. This is not easy, but I will do it. All this fast here. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab my head. Where they go?
Now make you stop.
Why don't you stop? You won't carry this keke. Now London they go. If they go London. No, if they go London with this keke. They say I make it mad. They say I make a stop. Where they go? Talk rubbish. Where they go? Where they go now?
Maybe up and things they go. Maybe up and way.
Up and way. Eh? How much you hold there?
15 naira.
50. Go police shoot. Don't the fire you there.
Fire you too. Fire you.
They go up and way with 50 naira. I just said they go up and way. Don't be there. I didn't just show that they shout. Operation. You tell me see you hold 15 naira. Say make you enter.
I don't tell you before I enter the
You want to tell me this? You tell me anything. You tell me see that way they go. You know man.
Make the chat for me.
I better give me the one I don't carry.
I
don't carry past the junction. Where they go? I just said they go operation. Enter. Give me the one I don't carry.
Me give you money. Carry me reach where they go first. I'll give you money.
Don't fire you.
Fire you too.
Don't fire you.
Fire you too.
But you don't know. Oh, I don't go in the ship. I don't go. Give me that money. Give me that one.
You dey find trouble, oh. You dey find trouble.
I go tell you I be Mr. Trouble. The Mr. Trouble wey get for this area na me. Wahala. Na my tell dey pay house rent. As I be wahala, as I be trouble. Any trouble and wahala we want, I will give it to them now. In fact, call that for this kid.
You dey find trouble, oh.
I be trouble.
I go give you your.
Hey.
Mama, what thing dey happen? Why you come early like this?
I don't just know what they happen today. Eh? All the passengers why they carry today, I don't just understand. No nonsense, idiot. You carry this one go complain, papa. You go, what did happen for today?
Passengers, na your family members, na your friends. Maybe their money you want. I don't know you and your wife who lazy pass. That one there for house here, they fat like room and parlor. You there here, you think still you no get sense.
I will not be side lazy. I no lazy anything. Now, my course.
Your mates, they there, they hustle. They carry all those passengers like that. You go do this man go carry the keke.
Mama, don't forget about that one. Forget about this man who carry the keke. You never cook finish. You never cook. Are they hungry? Now the fact that the reason for the break.
You drop chop money. Break.
I'll see you over. They shrine.
I'm a very useless background. People husband go work, but they look like it might be you. You look like a spiritual watch.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now one of the problems why I get for this like this. No,
so the work you go see.
Now so you supposed to welcome your husband.
Now as I see you, I'm gonna kiss you.
Which can look at trouble with this one now? Which can look at come. Now so you supposed to welcome your husband.
We had the money when you work today. Owoda.
You go down no.
Nyani go
get it. Don't be one that I say no.
I see they ask you question in their face. So you are ready. If I dey talk to you, make they keep quiet. Yes. And maybe your wife will go right down you the way I want her. Where the money you work today?
No. What you concern you now? Concern the money? What if that?
If you put your hand, I will not come out of it. You dey try me. Make I give you window for it.
Respect yourself.
What you dey swell up for?
Start now. Now my phone, but that. Give me my phone. Okay. Nothing there. I don't tell you.
What is your car boy?
Is anything? What is it? I don't understand what
Hey, life no balance, yo. Since you come up for house, no carry 1 naira for house.
What do you concern you now? Concern with you?
You don't know, say you get big wife to take care of. I don't go buy my pata this weekend. That be waiting.
woman don't finish me.
Eh?
You don't finish me, Adaku.
You know not say if person get big wife, you go spend big. When you hustle, you go hustle big. You know that one. Eh? I think they try me. Eh? I think they try me.
I fight you. I try you.
So you don't know say you carry body for kiss your head.
Don't kill myself for you.
Eh?
You the man. You can only be idiot. You the man. Idiot.
You're running to me.
You running to you.
You're a foam.
Running.
Sleep on.
No wahala.
Now Tondo go fire you. You see that one the way see they do person when they never born. Then go fire you, idiot.
A big care boss said, Thunder go fire me. Thunder go fire me. I won't born.
Go you idiot. What? You when they talk like you don't born. Every time what they do, wow, come back. Okay, be a problem.
I go see person like say Thunder go pursue me. You say Thunder go strike me. I go defy you like a meat for this is for.
What is the order?
I say I go cut your head. I say I go cut you.
Mama. Did you know
I go cut your head. You dey try me.
What is
I beg, don't kill my son for me.
Not kill who? You know they say. Eh? You see that person like a good manhood. See the useless manhood you go born. Eh? Useless mother, yes. Yes. Ole, lazy mother of a lazy son. Useless time. The time you carry her for 9 months is wasteful. He say you carry that time. They go take the plant yam. Well, if you don't get plenty yam tubers, by now, they for call you yam mama. Yes, you don't waste your time. And you see where? No worry. Your chapter. When I go open your chapter for this house, you go know say I be work giver. Ha!
I know young around. This is if you catch what's important like me. So that was elephant size. What?
Apple, my man, wait. Apple, calm down.
What is that?
You don't put down that.
Yes, sir.
Hey, woman, one more last morning. They can tell you, you don't see your life. If you go those better people their house, you go see apple, you go see all these snacks like apple, banana, all those fine snacks. Where they call mango. All those apple, you go to see fruit like burger, bread, you go see fruits where they put buster inside. You go see mango where they go cut, put buster. You go they give you plenty protein carbohydrate mixed together. See you. You go give you all season, vegetable. When they cost crow, no meat, no fish, nothing, empty soup. You are a very nonsense womanhood. Mother of a son of a useless manhood. That mean one kiss, no wahala, I go shop am because of love. I go shop am. You see say I dey your house, you say me I dey fat. Now swell up and they swell up because of bad food and they give me. But make I tell you, make this food ready. Make this food ready. Because if I come back say the food never ready, I go cuss your head like this. Put her for show glass, you go dey sign for there. I dey shop yellow woman, yes. Ask them for a gesture. I dey shop person. I go pick you like a barbecue.
Hey! Which can life be this?
Hey!
When I'm from here now, as I see you now, you do like this. As you see me now, you begin to shake body.
No be shake body, Oga.
You as just dey hear noise. You dey murmur, dey run like person wey python dey pursue. Wetin happen now?
Oga, leave matter for Matthias. Leave matter for Matthias. You don't
Who be Matthias?
Leave am for Matthias. See, as I dey now, my guy, I dey do some training, running training, because I don't see say that place na na my calling, na another calling for my side. And they tell you.
Wait, you dey do try run or what you call him again? You say na wetin? Wait, now you dey do what? They won't play more.
I dey.
You no. What you say you dey do again?
I dey train for running. Running.
Train for running.
For I dey tell you. Because maybe you dey here now. Maybe you dey for this village.
Wait.
One day I go.
Wait.
No, tell me what. No, tell me what. No, tell me what.
Anytime person want talk the truth, now you go begin shout. Nobody know you get voice. Why they shout about the shout?
Cut that out. You idiot. Me and you go there here now.
What is the way you dey shout? Hey. At the end now, you go be that your heavy duty.
Which heavy duty?
Sorry, so wait. Elephant, according to you now, you say an elephant. At the end now, the elephant they pursue you.
No, they do this rubbish way they do. One day you go here, they go just carry invitation letter come invite me. Say make I represent this village for 100 meters.
I beg you, rest.
Ha! Apple one.
Ogo na patia. Apple one. You hear them? Apple. That's it. You can talk your apple. Apple one. Yeah?
Wetin happen now? You no go work today?
No, I no go. You see, my keke get small issue. Because at that keke they misbehave. Now what be that? What be? You know they misbehave. No, time don't they come. Very soon I go enter market. You go up enter market. And when you enter market, you don't see you are old or finish. You go just go for life. Idiot.
Why you no carry and go mechanic?
Mechanic. I dey crazy. If na you be me now, you carry that keke go mechanic. You don't know my name again? Akpo. That's it. Akpo. AKA Anamaka. No. If you allow you, if you be me, you go carry that keke go mechanic. That keke dey mad. I will just leave and give up. I just give up time, give up little time, like do 1 or 2 or 3 things. He brain go format, go reformat. But then you go know say na your person dey do. So you just do. After who say una dey go?
I dey just dey stroll with my guys then now.
Okay, it's true.
Osino guys here.
Yeah, garbage. See, what I tell you. I go want make us true together. And I tell you, we go Mamojo place.
Yes.
I tell you.
Hey, sure.
And see what you want for me. I beg. I know maybe just stay with you. This your guess. Not if you take the starting under the starting manner or the starting way. Don't tell them 1 or 2 things, maybe just leave us. So that we go through. Choka. It will be in a letter test. You understand? When you understand me now. You know the me na bomb like this for I don't do my own training. You just enter wow. What you can carry come for this training now? Letter test you for understand the letter test.
If it begin happen, no call me.
What will happen?
No call me.
But I don't call you.
When it go happen, no call me.
Nothing they happen. I don't call you. The problem why they pay for house, I never call you before.
This my friend. Every time I go to drag person, come. What's this? You no believe what I see today. You see mommy water?
Not be only mommy water, now papi water. I see your husband with that girl Carol when they behave like man.
Okay, that guy they behave like man.
Bam.
Right for the village say they useless. Because you're coming with her.
I see the two of them with my eyes. They enter Mama Oju joints. Your husband even hold Carol hold for waist.
Yeah, sure. So my husband go come leave me when they behave like woman, come follow the behave like man.
No.
Hey, say the enter uzu it.
Yes.
The enter uzu it.
Yes.
You see them with your koro eyes.
These two, I see them like this. I see them, follow them.
On the school bay.
So shall be on the school bay.
Hey, leave am. Hey, on the school bay, you know say you. Bepori is your family background problem. So this your bepori they do now. No, and they try to understand them.
So you not believe me?
I not believe say my husband call sit on me with a get that behave like a man. No. Go possible that.
Hadaku, now this one be your problem. I say I see them. I don't feel like for you now.
No, they call me Hadaku. My name is Bosse.
Bosse, I see them. I say I see them.
I
know they lie.
I don't hear. Say you see them, Abi.
I see them.
Yeah. Come they go. I don't hear you.
You not do anything.
Because you, it's your husband.
I bet something just dey bother me. Something dey trouble my mind.
Wetin dey bother you now?
Why senior bros go just discharge us like that? Wetin happen now? It don't make sense now.
How for you? You said it's too trouble. You know say our senior boss be like that as her package be so. She need privacy now, you no get.
You get sense at all? I thought she dey talk like person wey no get brain. Why you go dey talk like that? Okay, senior bros need privacy. What if person now come join Sam? As backup no come dey, wetin go happen?
Omo, na true you talk o. You get sense o. I'm not even reasoning her like that. Wetin we go do now? Wetin we go do like this now?
They ask me.
Hey, wetin we go do? Mo go there.
You see this people who chop that. Say you like am. Say make you continue like this. I will go to continue because me, I like you. You know say you too fine. My problem na my wife na that idiot wey be Adako. That be my problem. I no want like if she come find and say me and you don dey move together now. She go begin one fight you and that fight that man no want.
Which kind fight? They no born am well.
Are you serious?
You dey inch dey mad. See, I know say me I no large, but my liver large well. She don't fit try rubbish now.
Are you serious?
See me, I don't even know why you marry that kind of woman first.
I don't know. You know, I like her. I be like her. Now before I don't like her now. I don't know why I married that idiot. I did caca. You are what now? You are what? If you know they like that before, people you know now. When I be married that girl now, a very small girl will say she did submissive. As I mother, wow, she changed. She bring out witches and wizards where they for the village carry come. They do in the house. Yeah, one.
But the thing they say no, sir.
I like it. Oh God!
Yes.
What is it now? What is this? Go back! Who can you come here? Who can you come here now? Who can you say they here? You be weak. You be weak.
Where you they go? My next walk there for your body. So
don't talk me.
Anywhere you go there my house. Say see where you go. See your direction.
Your network they tell you say.
See this one. This one will not get you saw. You say you like. Why you like pass me?
No, look
you
yourself.
Say if you saw the loss.
Come get out.
Let's say like
No, look yourself. Look am.
see beauty.
See moderate. Everything moderate. See beauty. Wow. Everything is
When I go stop, I see 2 sticks for the man.
Who talk? Who go talk?
When I go stop, Abi. Later you go say you don't get money. You go say you don't get money.
Idiot.
Idiot. Now you say you like pass me.
No go fight am. No try am.
Now your husband be that. Which kind of nonsense? See, take your time, oh. You don't know say na me be Carol, the king of this area. Na me be the boss, oh. Take your time, oh. Look me well, oh. You don't fit do anything.
I mean, they open eyes for like
you the open eyes for. Try me
Close
first.
your eyes. If not a flag, wait inside.
No.
Yeah, you know
Nah,
now your neck only I go. Your neck. You see you love my husband. Now me for you do some boy. Eh? Now me. When you want people,
Leave up. What?
You don't work again. Bite your figolo.
Me Carol. Me Carol. You dey crazy. You dey crazy. I promise you.
You share me. You dey find out chest for me. You dey find out chest for me.
Kai. Oh, see my body. Hey God. So far. I don't suffer. See all my body. See my teeth. See.
Sorry.
Me Carol. Hey.
Small bro, see you know say that time when you discharge us like this, I just did the reason the matter. The thing can't dey prepare me for body. I no can't get joy again because I just dey feel say person fit pour sand for your eyes. And the thing can't finally happen as I take talker. Right now, as I dey, I just dey ball. You know wetin go happen? No, that lady, that fat account no go just go like that for this village. You go take care of the matter.
Me.
Tell you.
Now me, Carol. Now that. Oh God. Now, they use me this stone grab me, Carol. For waiting now. Who they breathe? Who they? Bros, man. They never even born that person where they breathe. They never born them. See, I tell you, that gear for this village, we go arrange a matter. Leave a matter for us. Me, Carol. Me when be the bros of this area, they come use me this stone ground like this. It no fit happen again. No. My body dey
If the one wey happen na dream. If the one wey happen na dream, e no happen real life. See this one wey happen na dream. I won't tell you, maybe just wake up for this bad dream. If you go gree, wake up for this dream.
See, bros, no worry. No worry, See, they never even born that person wey go challenge you for this village. Even we as we be like this, we dey learn. They never born us. So bros, no worry. We go arrange them. You dey hear me? Leave am for us. Leave the matter. No wahala.
Lay down.
What is it?
So you did this weekend? Yeah? I don't know, so you were no. So you see no road to this compound, Chede. When you carry forget everybody waiting for this life for this compound. Now make you don't come my wedding. You don't come my marriage ceremony.
I am sorry now. I was not in the country. I told you.
When you're in the country,
I'm here now to make it.
No problem. I don't blame you. I don't just blame you. No problem.
I'm sorry now. I am very sorry. Where is Mama?
What nonsense is that? Mama, they inside. Make I tell you that this sorry way they tell me, never do.
Where is Mama? We'll talk about it today. Where is Mama?
You go inside now, you go inside. Baby, just turn around. Give her make in the Siam. They talk more, make the Siam. My package will be that.
My
baby.
Okay, whatever. On a
Yeah, package.
I must say she's looking beautiful.
I know.
In fact, she's beautiful.
Even if say you don't talk up, me I know say she beautiful. I tell you, Mama, you know say she beautiful. They do this. You can respect yourself now, Mama. You know say you beautiful. Welcome. Yes. Welcome. I may need that for welcome.
You don't have to.
Very respectful. Welcome. Yes, my brother.
You don't have to.
How your strip?
Yes.
Very well.
The strip dey okay.
Very, very well.
I love am well. Yes, we know dey quarrel every time. We dey always laugh. We dey do laugh.
Both of you suit each other.
Yes, we dey wear suits well.
Yes,
we get suits plenty. You too like love.
Mama, no they do this in the school. No they bright your face. We know ourselves.
Your brother say You dey wear suit well well.
Yes, you beautiful well. Mama, is this what you go through here every day?
Ese, nke a bụ bere. Nke a bụ ntọntọ. Thank God you don't see am yourself. See wetin your mother dey suffer for this house. Leave this house, what they do? The next thing now, among the hammer. Fire for fire. That girl nwa efo na njinoka. Pakburu, o hona anya nwanne nwoke. Pakburu. O say na me vibrate, oba ani man na me vibrate. That is why I say me come carry am follow body. Carry am to the city. Put in hand for something, make he learn trade. So that later he go set up business for him.
Mama.
Nwa efo dey gbo nwanne.
Look at you.
I dey shock see my face back on me. You know they to give me money, no manage. See, that is why I'm you see me to say, you get that to be you go see I'm making where you go money to change up. That's so we always play love.
Yes,
Hey. We dey play love well.
Oniano.
Can you name me black?
Obo slippers ka otro ya na. Obo slippers ka ifo ya na azo ebe o to ya slippers. On the one name pretty. If you go near na, you seen it.
What haven't I done for him? Can you name me Billionaire? I bought him a keke. Where is it?
Okay.
He sold it. I gave him money to build house. Legudi Holo.
You dey talk about building house. Listen, if you talk about building house, na inheritance so. Then can na go boy. Uncompleted building. Inye yego. Olokwe nka. Uncompleted building. So this compound don't become family of uncompleted building. When they are no. They now one day work clear eye. You now go bring 40 room and parlor. Heavy engine. Kana kwa rizie koche baba. Okwara ya ga eba. Let's go back to Senegal. Carry him to the city.
Does it even look like he's ready to go to the city?
Try, Kodo. Just try.
Mama, it's going to be a big task.
No call him like that. If you talk him like that, they make me the lose of hope. Carry and follow body. This fat girl go kill him.
Mama, instead, you be the one to leave this village.
Now I go leave my compound, okay? Now who go take care of here? Now that girl wanted the fish sweep.
Now you have to leave here.
You know, sir, I cook finish, sweep, that girl go carry the whole food chop. Don't they go anywhere?
Mama, come to the city.
I know they go. Carry your brother.
Come to the city.
I will carry your brother.
You know they come up go anywhere, Caro. I say you know they come up go anywhere. Give me my money. Caro, give me my money. And what did I do you now? What did I do you? Why you won't kill me, Caro? Why you won't kill me? I don't kill my mama. I don't kill my mama. You no go kill me, Caro. You no go kill me. Imam boom, Caro. Ifuri, Imam boom. Hey.
As you dey like this so, as you be lekpa like this, anything dey work you, answer me. So because of that your change, you just dey shout anyhow dey shout. If people come dey pass, they go think say I don collect, I don thief the whole bag of money. For that your small business wey you dey do, that one wey you dey fry garri, you think say na me collect your money? Which kind nonsense be that one? You sure say e dey okay?
Caro, give me my money.
Give you which money?
Give me my money or you not going to enter this house again.
Point of correction, may I tell you something, You see this house na my papa house. You dey hear me so? And as my papa die, na me be the only son of my papa. And this na my inheritance. You dey hear? Not try me, oh. In fact, take your time. Make I tell you, landlord and tenant no dey compete. And before I count 0, don't remove this nonsense hand come off my body. They hear me? You take your time before I go lose control for your body. They hear me? Take your time. You see that girl for this village, eh? You don't know who they play with. That girl went fat like fat bean so. You see, that girl, oh God. You don't know say, na me be king of this village. Na me be area bros. Me Caro. That girl will try me. If I catch that girl, I go beat her blue black. It ain't mad. You don't know me. I go tell her say, may you do better frog jump. As if fat so you go less by force.
Senior bros, Swale, I trust you now. See, senior bros, we need to arrange one sweet plan. You don't understand? Who go use arrange that girl? You know get?
Your talk enter well. Your talk enter well. But my own be say, anything wey we dey reason, and I suggest that they suggest too. Anything wey we dey reason, we will still try the reason her size, because her size still matter. But the major thing for this matter be say me, I want when we go handle Adako, we go make sure say she chop sand wey carry grass. But may we still reason the sand.
You dey mad. You don't get sense. Me when me Caro, with nonsense size. That see, like say you don't know me. You, in fact, Nida. You dey mad. You see, take your time, Take your time, Now me be Caro. Now me be bros for this area. You dey mad.
Stand up. Big bros, forgive her, my beg. Forgive her. You understand? See, big bros, I don't know why this Aku can't leave you. Run, come out from this village. I don't know why. I don't just know why. I don't know. I'm tired. But senior bros, you know, she say we suppose arrange one fine plan. We'll go use, bring this Aku. We'll go bring her down like this. You don't understand? You don't get. Senior bros, think am. Think am well. Bring her down like this, Think am. Mama, why you come close me? What do you talk? I say we will bring her down. They come close, Mama. What do you talk?
You know mad? You know Chris? I tell you say, anything wey concern Apple for this village, make you take your time. I don't joke with am o. You know mad? See, if I go kill your mama, kill your papa, kill your generation. You know Chris? In fact, two of una, you dey hear me? Anything wey concern Apple for this village, if una talk anything concerning Apple, una dey hear me so, I go kill you. I go kill myself, kill my mama, kill everybody for this village. You dey hear me so?
No, bro.
You dey hear me? Before I follow you, dey pray.
No thanks, sir.
You dey hear?
No go, she dey go. Never reach like that. It's not bros. I don't shut up. No, no.
You know if we come back today, go back today.
Mama, I have to now. There is still time. Moreover, I have a business meeting to attend. Mama, coming to this village wasn't even planned in the first place.
I know. But you know if we come back to your father's house, go back the same day where you come. Stay back, I beg. People discuss this like one big family. That thing where you want to go do for city can always wait. Make that thing wait small, make you talk to me. Okay, you don't know whether they're sick. You don't know how they eat, whether they eat well. I beg you, oh good. Right. Then they chase you. Even so your brother, he had the touch with that room and parlor wife. That heavy duty wife. You see, you could feel control them. I beg.
Oh, okay, fine. I've heard you. I'll leave first thing tomorrow morning.
No problem, no go inside, we continue the gist. I tell you plenty things. That girl, she nearly won't kill me for this house.
Come make I tell you everything.
Olu Skube. Story plenty, story yakpa. Make I just see wetin I do that girl that day.
Now the gist carry me come.
I
Hope say
swear.
you beat her well.
You don't trust your friend.
I trust you.
Olu Skube, you don't trust your friend.
I trust
Only
you.
wahala like me. Yeah, area
trust
commander. I swear, Pepe. Yes, if you see they push some, I push some for God. I take side rub on the body. If you see body, it be like bricklayer clothes study. You know what he pay me?
No.
They carry 2 sticks for maths. How they even they hug my husband?
I not tell you. See.
They even they embarrass my husband like this. He they embarrass him. Now my husband tell her say he love her pass me, Mike. He love her pass me. Look me like I know every horse rich. Eh? Me will be safe if you marry me, go marry me. Like this time, 3 people inside they for my body.
Hi, I trust you. You know they carry last. See where I come no give your husband breathing space. Oh.
Yo.
No give him space at all. See,
Yo.
if you ask him for money, he say no gree. Go collect the things. They'll come meet him for us, he go pay.
Olu Skube. Olu Skube. This your head inside there something. So if I ask that money, you no give me, I collect our credits. Yes. This one enter. Me, I go buy egg, I go buy yam, I go buy the sardine. I go buy everything. Every time I go to shop for my belly, I go to buy them. Because they wasting money for the girl.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Now me be Olu Skube now. Any idea when mouth no dey talk, e no dey hear. Everything I know.
No, while I Olu Skube. How far? You know say you dey get this where we get need this ready.
You hear wetin Mama Ejima do go do?
Mama Ejima?
Now.
One day go hear the one wey be say post call if you hear everything dey hear.
Na my work.
Wetin Mama Ejima do?
You no hear? You no hear? No be this village you dey.
Apple. Nah. Take up Apple. Apple get it. Now you give me the name. You don't get respect again. Apple. So if you put on brother Apple, you go die. As I said, Nana, brother Apple. If you do it like that, you don't go be cheated again.
Well, that's not why I'm here. Okay.
Now 5 years that takes you. 5 years. 5 years.
Can you just be reasonable? Well, Mama wants me to take you to the city to start off something. And I want to ask you, are you willing to travel to the city?
Why not? I'm very willing. As long as say not to go hammer. That's better hammer. No be only say backyard hammer. No, better hammer. I am willing.
You have to learn something first before hammering. Obagucha 1, or 2. Everything in life is a gradual process.
Yeah, and I gradual. Yes, now. Now like this, I did. They bought me. I small. It took gradual process. So I can't do like this. I gradual. I don't learn now.
I want you to promise me something.
Yes.
That you will drop all your village troubles.
Bam. No, just insult me there. Chede, you better say you know get respect again. You know say na me see on you. See, na 5 years old. They bomb me. Mama come be like say to be a child again come the strong. I come the 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4, 5 years before you come. No, they insult me with see, you know come now draka. It's swagana.
Sorry.
Idiot.
Prepare yourself. You are not traveling with me tomorrow morning. I have to get to the city first, discuss it with my wife, then I will send for you. Maybe within the week.
Oh, God. Not be you again. Not be Chede. I know you now. If you speak all this English with a big grammar, with the open out there, if you do a finish, you give me money before you go. Because I don't understand this kind of visiting. You when they come village, you know they visit anybody. You even use and tell me say you travel out of the country and you make you not come my wedding. You can't travel finish. Do all those nonsense finish. See, remember say village day. You come here, you don't carry anything come for me at all. You don't bring anything for me. Oga, if you speak English, finish before you go.
I actually got you something. It escaped my mind.
I know.
I would have brought it to you. But nevertheless, you are coming to the city now. You will definitely have it when you come. And meanwhile, I will give you some money before traveling tomorrow. The money is for your transport.
Yeah, okay,
because
okay.
I wouldn't want you to go disturbing Mama. You know you don't have an account. I would have sent it to your account. So you keep some money from it for your transport.
Oh,
okay?
No be again, Chad. I know you go skip your mind because it's me. But no problem. If you do finish, just give me money. I have food, okay?
Shut up your mouth. Useless man. Useless husband. Shut up. I don't try to hide myself. You dey hear me? As it be say you say we will disgrace ourselves for front of visitors, stranger, outsider.
I say what they do, my love.
Yeah, love. Get the money you thief for my cupboard. Bring the money, I go beat you. I go just beat you.
No, we don't want to say I see money now. See, now say I say make I keep her for pocket. Don't say when keep her no good. I say make I put her here. Your husband and wife. After all this money,
shut up your mouth. My money is my money. Your money is our money. Yeah. Yes, now so the law book of matrimony speak up. Yes.
Why did they look my wife? Why they look up?
Shut up your mouth. If you don't know, your brother and my spec. If to say a quick see and I have to follow. You know, see us in the work like a very responsible manhood.
So you don't spend money now. Where you supposed to give me? The money, you don't even put hand to give me the money.
Get out. See as your brother fresh. It be like Pierre when we say you never even touch ground.
Why you don't go fresh? No be, you don't keep me. I said that, no be keep me. I didn't fresh like that before. As you enter my life, the carry is host.
If you say I quick see your brother, now I for follow.
Make you for kill him.
Because you don't want.
If you say my brother, for don't kill him. Because you don't keep me finish. Because I don't get die.
You don't want.
Because I don't get die. Idiot.
Be like cloth where we say there's soap for buckets. You call up what come on.
You enter, I don't fresh, oh. You enter my life, I can't just be like
your brother fresh.
Like bad when they come out things from. Idiot.
No be you say.
I don't know what they're going to do.
No be you say. You too like them big.
Honey, welcome.
Thank you.
I miss you so much.
I've missed you, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine. So how did your day go?
It was fine. Looking beautiful.
It's because you're taking good care of me.
Of course I am.
Okay, so baby, you need to go shower.
Yeah.
Then guess what I prepared for you?
What's that?
Guess.
Yes.
Yes. Just guess.
Okay, I know.
if by one now mistakenly enter your trouser, come dey go. No say get where go reach, you go jam others when they hear. But then you
fit even naked. Yeah, you won't come out that one.
Because you don't see brothers and sisters coming.
Why your woman no want make you get another person outside since she know they give you rest of mind?
You mean like that? That idiot. Now God go punish that idiot. Now only God go punish him. And I tell you, give me rest of mind. Make I go bring another woman and come. Make you see like an idiot where she be. Go. I don't know what I do. Now myself, I just carry myself, go carry trouble, call you, beat myself, and I tell you. Yeah? Even since that day same day now, I never even see Carol. I never see Carol.
You dey dull my moment. You dey dull me well. Wetin happen? Why you never go see her? Wetin happen? Give me. Who I go blame? Every time you say you no go blame. Who I go blame?
We don't dey quarrel now. Every time, what be this now? We don't quarrel now. What do you come bring this shout now? You no go blame me. I never beg am. I never beg her say make she no vex.
I am go beg am. Go beg am. Go. Let me go.
She go gree.
Why she no go gree? She no be human being. Which time she go? No, they go.
No be. You see, what the investment for what you did? You dey talk too much. I dey tell you. I dey ask you now whether she go gree. They tell me why she no go gree. Person will be say I live wrong. Person will be say I live wrong. You know, say my shame said they shame me. As that idiot, as a fat she know the shame. She just enter where they don't do that thing. Instead of me to block her, at least defend her small. I leave her wrong.
Leave that thing, more they go. You know, be say if I reach more go. Forget that way they talk.
No go. Choker. I know you. Don't be say now. When be say this guy now go fight Chinese now. You know say she do like
how will you leave? You know me now. You know say I get single bone. Where the single bone dey?
Go, sit down. If you reach, see, if we reach there and I say make we bet this guy and this guy prove why you run. Make I just leave her there. I know say you go run now. No be say all this. Make we run.
Caro baby, Caro international, Caro my squad, Caro no vex. No vex for my friend. Now that Agidi Mopo, where he marry keep for house na in Kosa. Yeah, I beg.
That be the shrine.
Chukale. You see this your friend. Ever since that day, he just disappear. He no just come near me again. I not see him again. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
Caro no vex. I beg. Yeah? See I'm here, now in day here.
Biachuka, make him talk for himself. No be you go talk for him. Make him talk for himself.
My baby. My baby Caro. You know say you my baby forever. The love what I gave for you. Now we they start safe. Now we see the fresh. That's the love we tough what I gave for you. They fresh safe. Now we the thing they start. No verse here, I beg. Nothing will ever stop us from love. You see that idiot, that Abagidi Yoruba Adako can never stop us for loving ourselves. Anything we go put us under. That is an idiot. And they tell you that Abagidi Adako. You know if you stop him. Stop. No best about here. Sorry. I did sorry for
now your man don't shine. Since where you follow and talk now you dey your hand. You know the filter now you don't agree. Yeah, idiot. Yeah. Your mouth to no kill you. Make your mouth to no kill you. I know say make you talk. No talk, man. Man, I know what you are. No talk. I go live now. Yeah? Me tough now. Una no be small pikin now. Men are do it.
No wahala. I don't hear. No problem. No wahala. I no get problem again.
Are you serious?
It's alright.
Baby mo, my baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, baby mo, my baby.
Don't do now.
Don't do. I no want this way you want to do for my phone now.
No do.
I go leave una.
Oyang papa ngole.
Chukale.
Papa ngole.
Small now.
Chai. As you see this way doing now. If to say
rough mode.
Why you know? As you dey now, as you dey for mind now. If you say this your guest no dey here now, to say I just make okay enter here. Carry you phone.
You know, say if I give you one can style, you go just die.
I beg. Give me the style. Leave the die.
Okay, well, let's go.
Honey, Mama is suggesting I bring Apple to come stay with us.
But Apple?
Yes.
I thought he's married.
Of course he is. I heard he's always having issues with his wife, causing troubles everywhere, and it's not giving Mama peace of mind.
Hi, that's too much.
The more reason he needs to be useful to himself.
Baby, where's his wife going to stay?
I don't know, and that I can't really tell for now. I only know that he's the only one coming. But the issue now is, will that be okay with you?
Really? Like, babe, really?
Just asking.
Why not? He can come. He needs to be useful to himself. And moreover, I don't want him to be disturbing Mama in the village. That woman needs peace of mind. So he's welcomed here any day, anytime. This is his brother's house. Hey! Oh.
Thank you, darling. You're such a darling.
You're welcome.
I love you, right?
Oh, baby, baby, stop. Baby, no, you know I don't like this thing. Like, seriously, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't have current.
used to like it.
No current. No current. Please, let me stop it.
If you want this girl, if you want it, we go make you laugh. Since when you enter this keke, that's why they laugh. What is there inside this phone where they make you laugh? Since when you enter this keke, I don't bear until you agree me. You dey laugh, since you dey scared, and then you have this, you go stop. You don't give me stop. You don't mind. If you want it,
Oga, mind your business. And by the way, I have the right to laugh anywhere, anytime.
You will idiot. Go polish it here. Which right? Which business? For inside my own keke, say I dey carry dey go, don't give me the right to do anyhow. For inside this keke, you go mind your business. You mad? What the keke? They laugh since.
And even this keke na private jet, maybe if you turn your passengers to cleaners.
Go polish you.
Oga, now what for you? What do you concern the phone?
You concern me. Of one share rights. Idiot. As about to respect yourself. See, I don't talk to you. I just do my own. I don't talk to you. See, make I tell you this one day. If you don't go agree you, if you don't go feel control yourself, if you don't go feel they focus, just they yes, then they focus. If you don't say don't go agree, just come down for this. And the say the man of one day. Me they laugh. The man go there. See that meeting? That one meeting we want to for this. No be inside my keke. Come there, come dey do for you. The man come there. I go try to.
The last thing you go ever fit do, if you think so your head dey hot, make I tell.
Go.
Make I come down.
Go that idiot.
Don't talk to me.
Who be you? Then Italian. Go get that. My friend, go. You see that meeting we want to do for keke? Then no Italian. Oh, you want? Come back now.
Which money?
That money. Which money? The guy don't get money from. See, I be wahala. Give my money.
What's in my bag?
Give my money now. If you want to follow the guy, oh, okay. Now because of the guy, he enter. No wonder. No wonder why they talk. You put that. You carry your money.
I'll carry my bag now.
Give my money. Follow your money. Go. Give me the money.
Which money?
The money I carry now.
Which money?
I don't collect the guy own.
Help me carry this thing.
Now drop?
Now drop at the go
okay.
For that Maiden. For you know Maiden for bonus side.
Okay. I don't know the woman.
You know fine.
You know where they go now?
Yes, now I know where they go now.
I know this church where you call now a far.
You know too far. You know okay. How much you go collect?
7,000.
7,000.
In fact, now not be 7. In fact.
Okay, no one. I can't put that for you. Heavy. This one knows they smell well.
What do you say?
Nah, fish are carrying.
Na fish that is medicine.
Na fish are carrying.
Na fish.
Yes,
na. Like this medicine.
Yes, na.
God forbid.
What you concern fish?
No, they won't put eye for me and they tell me say what you concern fish.
Yeah.
You look at what I be that.
What you concern fish?
You won't carry this fish.
You know they chop fish.
What?
You know they
Who
chop fish.
they know they chop fish? What do you mean they chop? What do you mean they chop fish? You know they chop.
You know they chop fish.
You won't carry this thing and spoil this keke.
Which
you carry smell.
Your keke na go.
You sure say that fish dey here?
Na fish I carry now. You want my opener?
Open the back here. Open the back here.
My opener. I beg carry.
This way they smell like person, like human being. You don't say me na fish.
Na fish.
When they smell like human being, we don't die. You won't carry this thing.
Which human being? I beg carry this thing.
Wait, in the 5 person where you go spoil your order.
Which order? Yeah, see this one. Your keke na go. You see? That they spoil order. Don't you let them.
Air freshener. Smell. Come, polish it.
You want to come for my eye?
No, be human being carry.
No
be human being. Which kind of?
I beg come on.
Carry the one that they do.
See what it.
Go. No, shut you. I get your type. Your type like 50
if
times.
If you like, get 100 times. Carry this nonsense for my front.
You carry the body, the fight.
You know they even happy say I want you enter your keke. Say you never see person wey enter your keke. How about carry this thing come off for road pass you? How about you pass? How about carry this thing? No, pass it. Pass. Carry your wahala dey go. Hey.
I go give her to you.
You go give you.
I go tell everybody say no be fish you carry.
Don't tell me anything I don't want here. I don't want to hear anything where you want to tell me. I use God beg you. I don't want here. Say you dead there, they watch and they beat me. You talk anything, you know, you go get problem. Allow me. I don't want here.
No, tell me what you want make I do now. No, tell me now. No, tell me what you want make I do. You know say I know if fight him. You man know you know I'm say I know if fight him. Now you don't get a provoke. Now you get a shot. I don't say come there. I don't make a call you begin holler. What if that now? What if that? You with the holler. I know they all you they say come down. No they talk at that. Leave alone. For where? You they provoke. They holler. They like say if you cannot now you go cannot hit her for ground. I don't tell you. Leave this girl. Now me, now my cross. Don't be say na my cross. Say I me know as I go take the carry am. Me, you know, say I don't fit fight him. You know, say I don't fit fight him. You know, they provoke.
Why you there like this?
I dey problem.
Why you there like this?
They give you sick.
There why I dey? You not talk anything. You want me to get problem here, Abi? You want me to get problem here, Abi? You want me to get? You want me to? You know, you the man. Let me the conduct. Let me the conduct. Don't give me. You know what happen? I don't hear everything where you talk. I don't hear. You see from now. You see this? God. Anything will concern me. Don't tell you. You know what, God? Anything will concern you. I tell God beg you. Don't tell your day. Make I tell my day. Yeah, I don't tell you finish.
Okay, now the thing I want to do. Now the thing I want to do. Make I day by day.
Tell your day.
It's clear. I tell you. God, you idiot. I tell you. See, I don't day by day. Sis, I don't day by day. I just want to tell you say I want travel. So I want go city. Now the thing will carry me come. Cause I don't day by day. You why they tell the sis? You know they hear. Leave what him concern that one. It's true. It's simple. That rubbish.
They tell you they talk. Problem when you get like you they talk too much.
Like dog.
Talk it out. Okay, I be dog.
You know, I be dog. You be dog. When they say you won't die, you don't get a passive.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. I don't blame you.
Like just say
they call me dog.
Can't get out. No problem. See, my brother go.
If they go township, abi.
I they go township.
Me, I they commode this village. You see this village as me, I they talk now. I dey comot this village.
Oh, you dey comot?
That's you dey. You see say you marry wife. Na bad wife you marry. Say how you be.
Nonsense. So na my wife dey pursue you.
You know say I get single bone now.
Which single bone?
You know say I get single bone.
Go.
Na one thing.
Na one thing. Single bone. Right? You know waste Adako time. You know just Adako wada.
Na one thing make me leave her. You wan try with me?
Try. Kakuwa. Hey, if you just try me now, what Adako? Seba Paul. Let me fight you. You dey provoke.
Now I want to one down. Ẹwà wo t'Olúwa ṣe fún mi yé. Ẹwà wo t'Olúwa ṣe fún mi gbẹ̀gbẹ̀.
Adako, what is it?
Now,
you want to die? You want to kill yourself? What if it is now? No. What if it is not this? What if? Chill, God. We cannot just be this Adako. What if it is? What if it egg, sardine, bread, milk, malt, pepperoni, water? What? Oh, plus biscuit, Adako.
It's enjoyment.
No be enjoyment. Enjoyment, idiot. No be so they call.
In my language, quite enjoyment.
So you dey call all this thing an enjoyment? No. You dey call all this thing and say one to yourself. You see, you dey call say enjoyment. Adako.
Okay, me, you are very local for body man.
I don't think you see this Oko idiot. You know say na large. This one no be big again. Na large. As large as you are, you dey eat all this thing. You dey kill yourself. No be my house you go for die. If you wan die, you go back. You go die there.
You don't follow me. People, men, they roast me for outside. If I can't go outside, go see man, they roast me. They say, hey, sweetie baby, sexy gegi.
Man, they rush you, now you see they here.
Yes, I mean, say I don't want to sit on you.
You, now people, they rush, now you see
and
they
they keep everything, but my enzine, I keep everything for you. So I do bad
those people, when they rush you, I bet go there.
No, it's you I love.
You see that punishment?
Yes.
Now you go, you punish me. Go punish you. Idiot. Don't idiot. Idiot. What not say that? For one person see, make what? No, you don't mind. You won't die. If one die, go up now. Where go there, go die. Idiot. I'm coming. Go. Get
You both are inside my food. You are a whiff. You are a witchcraft man. Drop by the kitchen. Okay. I will show you prepare for this.
Idiot.
Make I try this side. How come me?
No. Stand up now. If you stand up. No, stand up now. Stand up. Idiot. You don't do it now. You go one time make everybody come. Make you come carry you up. Now 2 rope. I will not carry you if I tie 2 rope for your waist. I go call tipper. They go draw you up.
Okay, Mister, you just can't spoil this nutrition and the shop.
No, walk in here. Where you want me for trouble? You want me for trouble? Make you boss. Who are for here? Make them say kill you. How? Only you. Only you. Only you milk. Only you plus the egg.
As my hand not feel reach you. As I not stand up, I will break your head.
Wetin be this yo? Which can I be this yo? No be you say you too like them big, wallow wallow. No be you say you too like them big, wallow wallow. This one a better energy, life no balance yo. Wahala dey. I don't carry wahala for my head. Oh, which can I be this yo? I don't carry wahala for my head. Oh, which can I be this yo? This one na kiribo, yeah. 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 I don't tire, so thing. I don't tire, so thing. Which can person be this yo?
God. Adako. Why do you do this thing now? What? No. Tell me now. Tell me why you do this with the do Adako. Tell me the other nonsense what you do. Tell me why they do am. See. No make me believe say you be enemy of progress Adako. No make me believe say you be enemy of progress. Oh.
Let's see. How come? No be say.
No hear me. How come kawaka? Say I don't tell you this thing no. Don't tell me, see that nonsense language with the video. I come. No can I come where they? No can I come? I know where I'm from. Can you come? Here where we there now my land. I mean they marry you. No, I don't want to see that. No, if I hear all come, what's your man? Mawakanya.
Sure. See that I don't tell you so. This your Igbo they speak. Say I know they hear you. And I shall tell you say I know they hear you.
Your mama.
I'm not from Igbo, but I know the language.
Good.
Yoruba they hear.
You don't concern me.
They hear me.
You don't concern me. Let me they marry you. Not you they marry me.
So this your Hadaku. Nada bosse. Bosse.
Bawakanya. Bosse. You know what it bosse mean? You know what the meaning of bosse? You know what it mean? Bosse na. Bowa. What they call you? Bosse. You go just open. Wow. Person will just. That's the bosse. If I tell you the meaning of Adako, you will join the dance here. You mean?
No be every time we go dey quarrel like this thing. Castaras. You see, sometimes like this, we dey do love. Then we dey together, do love together like if I do love to you, if I touch you, you say ìfẹ́ mi o, I love you. No be every time. Wow, go dey laugh. We go dey fight like Castaras.
This life no balance.
See,
so Adako. So wait, make I know. So you feel calm down. So your voice feel calm down like this. I dey hear you now.
Okay, I no go talk again. Since you know everything, no problem.
No. I know say make you don't talk. What I mean be say, I dey hear you. I don't hear. You see the thing? This is ear. You open. I dey hear you well. They hear you.
Now you make you go to shout like that.
No verse. I dey hear you. Now because say my mind don't already. I know say not me dey here again.
Not be you dey here. Now city you dey. You never go there before, but your mind don't go there. As you dey go there, respect yourself.
Oh.
No go there. Go dey stress your brother.
No, the mad.
You don't date their pay before you dey join them. So you don't know everything. Know everything better than you. What do you know? Anything where he tell you, do it.
Baba. Mama, na there will make you mistake. You know, this one we talk that you know enter at all. I don't hear that. Anything when you tell me to make I do.
Why they shout like that?
No, be say why they shout. Shout and you me, I miss you them. Na miss you chain. Na, you don't this I say. You get one big man, one go do boy. No, now. They tell me say anything when you do. You see this one we talk and I say make I package myself. I hear that one. Say make I respect myself. Make I don't go there, go straight them. I hear, I know. I go respect myself. But this one we talk that anything where you say make I do. No now. Mama. You better not go. Okay, fine. Anything where you tell me to make I do them. Fine.
Do them. Just package yourself. Respect yourself. Don't go there begin to make trouble. They live as you dey here. They live in this your room and parlor.
Mama, say I go there now. You can't be say change na ritual. You dey do ritual. You can't tell me say I go kill mama. No, I go kill you now. No, you say anything what you say make you do them. If you tell me that, maybe for instance I say change na person when they used to person they care about. You say that ritual person. You can't tell me say Abu, go kill mama. No, you don't talk like that. I was just calling. Hey, mother now.
No way.
No, be say anything what you do.
I don't look you well. Look up and down. Not say you know well.
I will.
Something come up from your head.
No, because say you don't get.
Anyway, anything we want to do, go do. You don't stress your brother anymore.
I know it's
simple.
You see that? I know. If they told this like say that boy I won't go do for one kind.
What you want go do before uncle? What you want go do there? It's not be for you to do small things for them. If you don't come, you'll give you money. Settle you.
Are you see? You come mama. Yeah, but ha.
That's the way you get money. You can do anything for the person.
Because you get money. Okay, Chidi get money. Keep me now. Make Chidi come be my say nice to me now. Wow.
Look out your rubber. Look out your rubber. Look out your rubber. I see the hearts, me and the family. Look out your rubber. Look out your rubber. Look out your rubber. I see the hearts, me